Now we're going to assemble the rail, connect it to the drive head, and all the different manufacturers are going to be a little bit different. Read the directions. These 5 pieces are identical except for one of them has a slot in it for the pulley. So, I just start throwing things together. Read the directions. So these just slide together. You're going to have to push on them a bit. And they slide together, and now it's permanently locked. And we'll do that to the rest of these. Okay, so now we have the rail assembly together. We're going to attach it to the head. So there's a couple mounting screws on here we've got to take off, put a bracket on, and then we can attach that to the bracket. Whenever you're tightening a set of screws, you want to just snug the first one slightly, and then you can tighten the last one. Or if there's more than one, just all of them loosely and then tighten them up. Now this bracket on this particular model just slides in here. So we line that up and slide them together like we did the other ones. It's a little more difficult. Okay. You gotta make sure there's little latches on the side. You gotta make sure they're in together. And it looks like this one is. Now we have the rail assembled and attached to the head, and we'll go on to the next step of installing the drive belt.